upload is for the attention of the DPP and regards the impact statement that I've sent to you and that is shared with regard to the human rights violations I'm experiencing. Um, I'm receiving little correspondence and acknowledgement with regard to this matter that's ongoing that has affected my child and I, and it's regarding substantial amounts of harm and theft and intrusions and defamation, and there's a collective in Tralee that have caused very serious harms to society, and I'd appreciate the Department of Justice and the DPP and the European Court of Human Rights and all agencies of authorities to address the harms that are being caused to my child and I in Tralee. This involves all the issues that I've mentioned, with identity theft occurring, financial theft, property theft. All the human rights violations are being violated, or all the human rights are being violated, and the Constitution as well. So I'm tolerating a very unbearable situation while recovering from doctors' medical negligence, and this issue is getting a little bit more serious when these people are in my proximity and disrespecting the democracy. Um, I'm a teacher and I'm recovering from medical negligence, and my child is a missing person. So there's people disturbing the peace, and it's it's unacceptable. So could the guards and the government ever mind addressing the disturbers in society, because they're quite liable for a lot of damages, and they've caused a lot of offence to my family, and they've done harm on my property, and it's just unacceptable for any married mother, law-abiding citizen, to be tolerating what I'm tolerating. I've worked for the betterment of society. I've helped people in recovery, and the nuisances that have just harassed my privacy and just been blatantly disrespectful to democracy and privacy is just unbearable. So, could the Department of Justice and the European Court of Human Rights address these issues during COVID? Um, it's very serious. They've harmed my child, and they've violated my constitutional human rights, and they're not welcome on my farm holdings in Ardfert and Kilflynn, and their exacerbatory offences are quite dangerous. So while I'm recovering from medical negligence, would the guards and the government ever kindly address this appropriately? I'm owed quite a substantial amount of debts because of these people, and they're not helping anybody, and they're not for the betterment of society.